Hello guys, I want to show you guys how you can create a thumbnail really quick. You go to the App Store if you have iOS, or Play Store if you have Android. You're gonna type in PicsArt. I have it downloaded already, but you're gonna download it. Alright. Press here and just have whatever picture you're gonna use. Obviously, I'm gonna use that one. Now you're gonna go to adjust and then proportions. And you're gonna select YouTube, apply. Alright. You could edit it all you want. Everything. You could write text. You could resize it. Change the color here. Make it blue. Apply. And there you go. I'm gonna leave it there. Next, save. Download picture. You're all set. I'm gonna place that thumbnail here. I just did a really simple thumbnail just to show you guys. Select, save, and you're all set. That's all, people. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.